Lecture 1. Reading and speaking. Reading and speaking. Where are they from? This is a photograph of Claude and Holly Duval from Montreal in Canada. They are on holiday in New York City. Holly is from Canada and Claude is from France. They are married. Holly is a teacher. Her school is in the center of Montreal. Claude is a doctor. Her hospital is in the center of Montreal too. The next slide we have questions, so we will try to answer the question. 2. Complete the sentences. 1. Holly is from blank in Canada. So the answer is Holly is from Montreal in Canada. 2. She is a blank. So the solution is she is a teacher. 3. Her blank is in the center of Montreal. Her school is in the center of Montreal. 4. Claude is from blank. Claude is from France. 5. He is a. It is easy. He is a. Yes, good. 6. His hospital is in the center of Montreal. Yes, في وسط مدينة Montreal. They are on vacation. On vacation in New York. إنهم يقضون إجازة عطلة في مدينة نيويورك. 8. They are married. They are married. Now, 3. Write the questions with what and where about Claude and Holly. Ask a partner. For example, you ask your partner, what's his name? Your partner will answer, his name is Claude. Where is he from? Well, partner will answer, he is from France. And where is his hospital? The answer is, his hospital is in the center of Montreal. Also about Holly. What's her name? Her name is Holly. Where is she from? She's from Canada. Where is her school? Her school is in the center of Montreal too. Friendship. Ellie Green. Her surname Green. Her first name Ellie. Country England. Address 29 Victoria Road, Birmingham. Phone number 07700 955031. Age 20. Job student. Married? No. Now I have questions and answer. What's her blank? The answer is the Green. So we should put surname اللقب اسم العائلة. What's her surname? What's her surname? 2. What's her blank? Ellie اسمها الأول. What's her first name? What's her first name? 3. Where's she blank? England. Where's she from? Where is she from? What's her blank? 29 Victoria Road, Birmingham. What's her address? 5. What's her blank? It's easy. What's her phone number? 6. It's very easy. How old is she? She's 20 years old. What's her job? She's a student. And 8. Is she married? No, she isn't. So we can see students, they are easy questions. Just it depends on the context and on the paragraph. So work your partner about these questions and answers. Thank you very much.